on almost the last stretch of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Okay. Is my face getting round yet? Maybe a little bit, but it's fine. And you see what I'm doing? Take this tool and then a hammer, and then my legs in the way. I'm removing the floorboards, getting really mad because the paint that I painted is like peeling off from the floorboard. Like, I'll show you, it's really ridiculous. Like, see? This is like literally peeling off. But it's fine because when the flooring goes in and then the trim, it'll cover it, but still I'm pissed because I spent a lot of time painting. But here we go. Okay, so I have all those pieces up, all the trim around the corner. It's lit. So now all I'm waiting on is my parents to get back with the table saw so we can start installing the floor. How exciting. So we ran out of the black stuff, so we're just using this for the small section. Whatever, it'll be fine.
You know, I don't get on that square foot. I mean, we should have had enough.
Can you step on this?
Yeah. I'll let me with that knife.
You put it in your pocket.
Here, hold that.
We don't have enough flooring. Measurements were one box off.
Okay. Well, that's good. That means one of those is going to cover the box of the... Yeah.
And I don't even have a full stomach right now.
Did you see that? So one of those will cover the box of the other stuff. See?
So does that mean the flooring measurements will be right?
Probably not. But it don't matter. Because one of them is already pretty much going to be paid for then. Hopefully. I'm picking up some plastic from the floor. What?
Should I lower it? A smidge? Because it's about to overlap. So it'll be nice. You know what I'm saying? Like lower it before there. So when we pull this, it's set it on nice. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, it's made. This is made. It's set on
Is it supposed
it.
to go over it?
Yep. Set it on there.
What do you mean?
Set it right on here.
Oh, when you pull it out from the bottom?
Yep.
Okay.
Go.
Wow. Yep.
Looks like it. Okay, we got extra. Let's see what happens.
Wait, why would you cut? Why would you cut out? Because you need it over there. You don't need it over here. Right? No. You want a little cooking?
Stuff.
Now what?
Start laying the floor.
When do we have to cut the floor?
As we go along.
Like a lot?
Well, just whatever we need. Cut it.
Oh. Whew. Oh my God.
Well, let's see how good I am.
A little off.
Huh?
Just a little off.
Was it?
Just a little bit.
And I did that on the other ones. When we did the other floor, I did it once or twice.
You cut the wrong side. Is that why there are boards in the back?
So now this will go here.
Hopefully.
Now this piece will only be good.
For like nudge.
Alright, now put the pieces in their wedges. Put one on the back wall and one on.
Like this? That's fine. Does it matter that yours are closer together and these ones aren't?
Well, you're gonna put trim up. I mean, you can slide it
I'm
over
talking about
my
this.
way. Can you push it my way a little?
Towards you?
Yeah.
I have like a whole finger gap now.
Like I said, when you put trim over it,
Yeah. Because I'm going to have, it's going to be some thick trim. Shit. It's going to be thick trim. Like an inch thick. That's fine. Whatever. Okay, so after a very long Saturday, we finished the flooring. Me and my dad killed it. So yeah, I will show you guys it.
Because we're going into the 26-day trials, he said the 26-day maybe would be.
Like, it looks pretty good. I still need to, because this happened, you know, whatever, it's fine. Trim will cover it. So we're gonna trim the floor. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna get a new vent because that thing's so old. Like, it was like underneath the carpet old. So yeah, came with the house when it was built. And then the closet is all good. And I did this bit. Super proud of myself. But yeah, I'm gonna see what time we started because it feels so late. It is 9:06. I think we started around like 1, maybe earlier, maybe later. My back's gonna be sore tomorrow. Woo. Olympic finalists are on and they're getting excited watching them. That's what the yelling is. But yeah, I'm excited to see how this room's gonna look when it's done. It's definitely like night and day to what it was before. So today's project is trim in the nursery. So we just went to Menards. We were there for like an hour and a half. I got trim, corner pieces for the trim, some like wood. I'll just show everything. Yeah, I'll just show everything when we have it in the room. And then we went to Panera for lunch. And there's like this thing where you're not supposed to eat lunch meat when you're pregnant, apparently. Then my mom was like, oh, well, I had sandwiches when I was pregnant with you and I was fine. So like, I don't even know if that's like a real thing or not. So I had a bacon turkey bravo from Panera today. So I haven't had one in a really long time and I was craving it and it really hit the spot. So yeah. I got the drink here. I do the ginger with whatever the green thing is. I think agave, I don't know. So it's like no sweet, no added sugar, like unsweetened, and then the other one has sugar. And I really like it. The mixture of the two. It's always a fun, good time. But yeah, I will update you guys when we get back to the house. I'm like, right now I'm following behind my dad and he has the trim, so I'll show you. So right now my dad just has that and they're kind of just cruising. We were nervous because we did 20-foot beams. I only got 4 of them, so hopefully it's enough if my measuring is right. Fingers crossed. I think I measured over, but we have like not a lot of room for mistake. Oh, I forgot to get the vent. Dang it. Doesn't it look nice? Mom!